Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass, powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.